Hello everyone and welcome back to ESL 75 Pronunciation and Conversation. Sorry, this is my little handy helper here. We're going to use this a lot in this chapter and the next chapter, as this chapter focuses on vowel sounds in English, of which there are 15 vowel sounds, and how those vowel sounds are produced in the mouth in terms of jaw position, the position of the jaw, the position of the tongue, and the position of your lips. Those are the three parts to the mouth that have such a huge impact on those vowel sounds in English. So that's what we're going to focus on in this chapter. In this chapter, you will become familiar with those 15 English vowel sounds. You'll be able to identify the vowel sounds that are difficult for you, especially if they don't exist in your native language. So you'll be able to identify what vowel sounds those are that are challenging. And then you'll be able to become familiar with the way we produce the differences between vowel sounds. Train your ear first to distinguish those differences between vowel sounds that are similar, and then work on training your mouth, right? Your lips, your tongue, and your jaw to produce those different vowel sounds. So the summary is difficulties with vowel sounds are common even for native speakers of English, as English has more vowel sounds than most other languages. Spanish and Japanese, for example, only have 5. So let's go over these vowel sounds together. I'm on page 120, the vowel overview chapter. We're going to go over each vowel sound together. If you want to listen to CD3, track 21, you can practice these in greater detail on your own. But let's go through these together. We're going to start with the front vowels here. Front vowels. And you can see for the front vowels, the tongue, the position of the tongue is toward the front of the mouth, where your teeth are. And then in terms of its position, in terms of high or low, it's very high at the top of your mouth. So these are front and high, and then we're going to go from high to low. And as we go through them, kind of pay attention to how your tongue starts high and then kind of drops down even further, and your jaw should actually drop down as well when you make those vowel sounds. Let's do these together. First one, E, E, eat, I, it, A, late, eh, let, ah, cat. Repeat them one more time. And again, pay attention to your tongue, how it's toward the front of your mouth and also at the top of your mouth. And then as we go through, high, it starts high, and then your tongue should gradually get lower, and then your jaw should drop as well. E, I, A, ah. One more time. E, I, A, ah. So you can see how you gradually go from high to low with these front vowels. All right, now we're going to look at central. Central meaning that the position of your tongue is toward the middle or center part of your mouth. middle or center part of your mouth. And then also in terms of high and low, you're going to see that it's going to start high and then gradually your tongue position should go lower. But central in terms of front back, and then start high and go low. Let's do those vowel sounds together. 6, 7, and 8. Bird. So notice from it's really high, right? Should be toward the top of your mouth. Now we're kind of at the middle, right? Cup. About. Hot. So tongue position central in terms of front to back, starts high, and then goes low. Now we're going to do the back vowels. So your tongue should be really toward the back of your mouth, toward your throat even, and then tongue position starting high and then moving down low. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Two. Good. Oh. Road. Ah. Law. So you should really feel your tongue toward the back of your mouth and then a gradual drop as we start from high to low. Now we do have 3 other vowel sounds, and these are what we call diphthongs. Diphthongs where you start with one vowel sound and then glide to another vowel sound. 2 vowel sounds that are combined together. And that's 13, 14, and 15 here at the bottom. Let's repeat those together. I, tie, ow, out, oi, toy. Some of these might be tricky to distinguish, especially because there's such a minor difference between tongue position. So what I want you to do is listen again to all 15 vowels. CD3 track 22 will allow you to listen again. And then I want you to write, see if you can identify no more than 5, but at least a few vowel sounds that you don't recognize in your first language. And then you know which vowel sounds to focus on and practice as we go through this chapter. So go ahead and write down those different vowel sounds. Listen to CD3, track 22 to hear them again. And let's go ahead and continue in this chapter and practice these vowel sounds in English.